徛在地看世界，来看2020美国的总统大选第一场的辩论会，伫台湾时间早起的9点来登场。现任的总统川普甲民进党的候选人拜登战90分钟。这场的辩论会嘛是两个人竞选活动开始了后第一届面对面，针对6个主题来辩论，包括两个人过去的经历、新冠病毒、种族的问题、最高法院、经济甲大选的公平性。伫这个辩论的过程当中，川普再一次提出着伊上届本定的本事，就是一直讲插嘴拍断对方的讲话。毋但伊的对手拜登，甚至参主持人都对伊袂调。
美国总统大选头一场电视辩论，嘛是美国总统川普甲竞选对手拜登头一摆正面交锋。
We won the election, and therefore we have the right to choose her.
The American people have a right to have a say in who the Supreme Court nominee is.
两人先就提名大法官的问题咧辩论，川普拢一直加插话。
People know he doesn't
You're
want
a
to answer the
senator.
question.
I'm not going to answer the question
Why would
because
you answer that
because
question?
the question
You want to put a lot
is
of
the
new
question
Supreme Court
is
justice,
the
radical
question.
left.
Will you
Who
shut
is your
up,
listen?
man?
Who?
虽然无讲到外交问题，不过两人针对新型冠状病毒的疫情，你讲的是又愿去讲到中共。
The president has no plan. He told us what a great job she was doing.
We got the masks. We made the ventilators. You wouldn't have made ventilators, and now we're weeks away from a vaccine.
进前你有是无曝光川普节税问题嘛，变成辩论的话题。
Will you tell us how much you paid in federal income taxes in 2016 and 2017?
Millions of dollars.
You paid millions of dollars?
Millions of dollars,
So
yes.
not 700.
川普强调讲上百万，也毋都唔肯讲几百万。后来拜登针对敏感的种族问题讲川普。
This is a president who has used everything as a dog whistle to try to generate racist hatred, racist division.
头一场辩论有6项主题，考验到这两位拢超过70岁候选人。
an abuse